one.
Wala? Oh, yeah. We're going to the airport.
We're gonna go in today in my airport. Look, I have a dress. I have babies. This baby alive and this
Bell.
bell. This baby alive. I eat caramel.
Caramel.
I eat caramel. It's so really sweet.
Yummy.
So yummy and sweet. Wait. Wait, bye. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, andito kami ngayon sa Terminal 2 Cebu Pacific. So, on the way na kami ngayon. Flight na namin ng 4 o'clock sa Boracay, sa Katiklan. Kasi Bria. Hi Bria.
Katiklan.
Ayun si Daddy.
Date 1.
Hi guys, andito na kami na airport.
Gate natin nakalagay 15. 15 yung boarding gate. 17 downstairs lang dito.
Ano ba tayong boarding pass natin? Tingnan mo kung anong group tayo, uy. So, baka mag-ano na kami, boarding na kami. Tinitignan lang namin. Sige, update namin kayo guys ha. Bye-bye! Ay guys, hindi pa pala kami, hindi pa group namin. So group number 2 pa lang tinatawag, group number 4 kami. Bale, hindi kami nagdala ng sasakyan kasi si Papa nakalimutan niya mag-book agad ng park and fly. Paano kami ng Grab sa friend ni Mama Ana. So yun, magsasakay muna kami ng bus papunta doon sa may airplane kasi nga dito kami sa
Sabi mo,
sa
bus.
gate 17. Yan o, basunak. Guys, update namin kayo ulit.
Today's windy because the plants quit.
Dito na kami sa bus. Pupunta na kami sa airplane.
Oh my God.
So, nag-aantay pa kami bago umalis. Nag-aantay pa kami ng mga ibang tao. Bali yung bagay namin, na-check-in siya. Kasi free lang naman. So, para hindi na kami magbuhat-buhat. At ilagay doon sa taas. Na-check-in na namin. Free lang naman.
It's my mommy's birthday today.
It's not my birthday.
No, it's true. It's
No,
true.
it's not.
No, it's true. Don't fake alarm here.
It's not my birthday, guys. Akala niya, sinasabi yung birthday ko. We're boarding! Hi! We are about to take off. Malapit na. Finally, ito na po. Na-traffic kami. Sa Tagalumandar.
Actually, this is a plane.
O, naka yung pressure ha. Dito swallow. Daddy, you can see, anak. It's nighttime na. You don't need to wear that. Na? Be careful going down. You can see, anak. Wow, it's very windy outside. No? Wow. Anak, can you go down? Anak, go. Be careful. Go, baby. Go. Daddy dyan daw? Hi. It's very windy here. Daddy saan? Be careful. I can't hear. Let's wait for a bag. Nak, it's very heavy. That's heavy. Yay! Wow! Butterfly! It's a small butterfly. Dad,
Time to ride the boat.
time to ride the boat na kami. So, we're going to pay for a... I don't know. Sorry. We're going... Hello, good evening. We're going to pay for environmental fee and the boat ticket. Yes. Ay, medyo gabi na kami. Anong oras na rin? Dati may kamukha tayong ano ha. Ayan, nandito kami. Babayad si Daddy. So, ayun si Bria. nagpe-play. Nak, be careful. Madapa ka. 150 pala ang regular. So, about isa yun. Ewan ko lang kung 5 years old may bayad. May bayad ba si Bria?
Ewan ko lang. Tapos sa inyo ang environmental fee.
Wala pa yun. Ano yun?
Wala yun.
Registration. Environmental fees, 50 pesos. 50 pesos?
Foreign national 300, local tourist
150. Oh, mahal. Ang mahal pala ng environmental, 150. 50 pesos yung boat ticket. Mura yung boat ticket. Opo, marami tayo. Ay, dito na kami. Nag-wait sa boat. Ito yung boat. Ang daddy. Ay, sa environmental fee pala walang bayad si Bria.
Sa lahat wala.
Sa lahat.
From boat to environmental fee, tsaka sa registration terminal.
Wala din bayad si Bria sa boat.
Laging dalawa lang.
Lagi lang kami dalawa. So, 5 years old free. So guys, dito na kami sa Bacan. Bye. Are you scared? Are you scared? No. Hello guys, we're here na sa Mandarin Bay. Hi! Hi!
Mommy, it's a neck.
Yes! Okay. Wow! Nak, be careful ah! Oops! Be careful na! Yes! Oh, Christmas na dito. Daddy, nasan yung mga luggage? Oh, meron pala. Yes. You like this hotel? Where's Daddy? Tara! It's okay! Oh, Christmas na. Look at that! Wow! There's a sand. Oh, Nak, there's a sand. Look at that. Oh, wow! Yes! Wow! Teka lang, Anak, picture natin. Video natin yung harap. Tara. You go there. You go there, Nak. Hi, guys. We're here sa Mandarin Bay. This is the hotel for 4 days. So, ayan si Bria. Hi, now. Let's go to Daddy na. Yes, you go there. Yes. You like it? You will swim there tomorrow. Diyan ata yung ano. Yeah, tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow you will swim there. Good evening po. Oh. Yes, you can swim there. Doon ako, may mga doon. Dito tayo tomorrow.
Mommy,
Mag-rest muna tayo
huh?
tonight ha. Huwag muna mag-swimming, anak ha. Tomorrow na.
Mommy, may tao ba? Wala.
Yes, oh, there are kids oh. Hello guys, may welcome drink sila dito.
Ano to?
Ayan. That's our drink. Bigay nila, anak.
Bait?
Ayan. So, si Daddy kasi na, Nak! Be careful, anak. Come here. We drink this one. This is not a picture. This is a video.
Picture me.
The video lang to. Nasaan si Dada? Hi. We're going to our room na. Wow, anak ko. Gingerbread house cake. Wow.
Welcome to your room.
This is
Welcome in the room.
Welcome to our room for 4 days.
For 4 days.
may pa-welcome silang ganyan. And also, sa may reception, may pa-welcome drink sila. And cold towel. Di ba, babe?
Yeah.
Andito kami sa Mandarin Bay Resorts and Spa. Dito sa Station 2. The only 5-star hotel dito sa Station 2. Tapos sila ang may title na pinaka-longest pool. Di ba, Daddy? Yes. Sila ang pinaka-longest pool dito sa Station 2. So, quick room tour namin kayo before namin magulo yung room namin. So, mas maganda kasi yung malinis pa. Makikita nyo, di ba? Si Priya kasi mamaya makalat na yan. Siyempre, excited siya. Bali, pagpasok mo ng pinto. So, ayan. Ayan, makikita nyo yan. Teka, iyan ako. Clip natin. Yan. So, ito yung bathroom. So, ayan yung toilet. O, yan. I-demo pa ni Bria. So, ito yung toilet nila. May bidet. Oh, malinis.
Mommy!
Ito tissue. Yes, wait lang. Be careful, ha? So, ayan. Tapos, dito yung shower. Shower. I don't want any accident here, okay? This is a bathtub. So, may bathtub kami dyan. Oh, no. So, ayan. Dinidemo niya pa sa inyo, diba? Super happy siya. Be careful. Sink. Shampoo and conditioner and bath gel. So, yung kanilang bidet. May bidet. Laundry. Basket. May boat na maliit. And then, may sleepers. Ito yung gusto ko dito. Kasi maganda yung sleepers nila. So, ayan. Ayan, si Priya. Nak, you give the other sleeper to Daddy. You give the other sleeper to Daddy, anak. So, this is our bedroom. This is our bed. Para very social. Wow. This is a king size bed. So, ayan. Water. And complimentary. What is this? Drip coffee. And brown sugar, green tea. Ayan, ma. Tapos may mini sila dito. Mini fridge. Tapos, pagka kailangan nyo pa ng water, pwede kayong tumawag lang sa kanila, bibigyan kanila ng water. So, wala silang dispenser sa labas, hindi katulad ng Henan mga hotel. Pero, meron silang bibigyan kanila, basta tawagan mo lang sila. So, walang problema. Free lang lahat. And then, yan. Ayan, meron kaming malaking table dito. Ito yung TV. Wow! Ayan yung TV. So, smart TV na siya. Anong size ito, Dad? Malaki, no? Siguro mga nasa 54 or 60. Ewan, basta ganyan. So, ayan yung name ni Daddy. May pa-welcome silang ganito. So, ayan, may mirror pa dito. May pa-letter pa sila dito. Angel Michael. And this one too.
Bria, you say good night kay Lola Ana.
Good night!
Say love you, Lola Ana.
I love you.
Yan si Daddy. O, kausap si Mama Ana. Meron pa ganito.
Sige ma, good night.
Good night po, Ma. Bye po. Tapos meron dito alarm clock, digital. Tapos ito, meron ganito. Ganda. And then, ang pinaka-gusto namin sa part ng hotel namin, ng room namin is, ito yung pinaka-gusto ni Daddy na part daw. So, makakapag-relax siya dyan, manonood siya ng TV. Mag-yoga. This is the best part. Pinaka-best part ng room. Oh, look at that. Nak! Be careful, ha? Huwag kang gagamit ng chair para pumunta sa terrace, no? Mahuhulog, ha? Yan, pinakamaganda. Ito yung longest pool nila dyan. So, hanggang dun yan, sa pinaka-entrance. Hanggang dun. So, hanggang dun pa yan. Hanggang dun pa yung pool na yun sa dulong-dulo doon. Hanggang paliko. So, this is our room for 4 days. Yan. So, quick vacation lang kami kasi si Daddy is Thanksgiving sa work. So, hi. What is that? What animal is that?
Chicken.
Chicken ba to, Dad?
I don't know.
Chicken daw.
Swan.
I asked her, what animal is this? Sabi niya, chicken. No, it's a swan. Swan. So sila na bahala. Actually, maasikaso sila sa mga Daddy guests. Meron silang pa-welcome drink. O kasi 5-star, yun lang asahan mo sa kanila, diba? Snake! No, it's the swan. It's a swan, babe.
Swana.
Yeah. So, meron silang pa-welcome drink, no, Daddy? 3 drink. And then 3 cold.
Nakuha na mo ba yung welcome?
Hindi nga, paglabas na, pagbalik namin, tinignan namin yung pool. Pagbalik namin, may welcome drink na kami sa mesa. So, may cold towel na rin kami. So, yun ang tomorrow. Tinatanong ko sa kanila. Kasi hindi na kami nagdala ng mga bucket ni Bria. Pero, ang sabi naman is, nagpo-provide sila ng ganun. So, wala nang problema. Lahat naman, mapo-provide nila. Yes, with free water. Yes, anak. Opo. Do you want to drink water? So, ayun. Tomorrow na lang or mamaya. Kaya lang po ang lobat na yung ating cam. So, tomorrow na lang. Mag-update kami or mamaya. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.